Hello, today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads using the icarsoft VAWS V2.0 system. First you want to go into service menu, electronic park and brake. Pick which car you've got. Just automatic scan, make it a bit quicker. To release them you need to open the rear brake calipers. You should hear a noise once it happens. You can hear that noise. Now it's come on the dash that the electronic parking brake is disabled. Now you can change over the rear brake pads. Once you've successfully changed the rear brake pads, come back into the icarsoft settings, into the electronic parking brake settings, and then you want to go down to rear brake, close rear brake calipers. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the electronic parking brake closing back up. And now everything should be working properly. Everything's working as it should.